One thing every couple should do before they leave on a holiday break is to discuss their expectations. That's how you minimize holiday conflict. Now, we're looking forward to a short holiday break that's coming up very soon. And our destination is a beautiful spot in nature where we can do some fly fishing for trout. And Elna, I would like to know, what is your number one expectation?
I think if we can go for a walk every day, just the two of us, that will be wonderful for me.
And what will make it extra special?
If we can enjoy nature together and just talk about stuff, that would be great for me. And what would your number one expectation be?
My number one expectation would be if we can do a bit of fly fishing together, just you and I and the water and nature.
And what would make it extra special for you?
If we can also have fun while we do it, and perhaps we're lucky and we can both catch a trout.
Okay, let's try.
After having worked with thousands of couples, we know over the years that this makes a very big difference because it creates an early connection and awareness. And the good news is that you don't have to agree with each other's expectations. All you need is a successful conversation. So remember, next time you do this, it is feeling heard that creates connection.